The universe contains cosmic radiation left over from the Big Bang, known as the cosmic microwave background radiation. Born from the Big Bang, it's the oldest story in existence. A 13.8 billion-year-old cosmic echo, whispering secrets of the universe's infancy. It's everywhere, permeating the universe, bathing us in its ancient glow. Invisible to the naked eye, but not to our advanced scientific instruments. So let's journey together, discovering the universe through its oldest, most pervasive radiation, the cosmic microwave background. Do you know that?